There's always a moment when a season stops feeling like something you're planning and starts feeling real. For us, that moment came when the boys finally got here. The RV was packed and it was time to roll out of the ranch for our first summer stop. We don't know exactly what this season is going to look like, but we know what we're hoping for. More time together, more places we've never seen, more small towns, travel days, roadside surprises, and reminders that the best parts of life usually happen somewhere between where you start and where you think you're going. And today, our summer RV adventure begins on Route 66. Well, when we got here this spring, we had a long list of things to do, lots of projects. We got most of them done, some not so much, not completed. But now it's time to pack up, close the gate, and hit the road. Mornings at the ranch have a way of slowing everything down. Even on a travel day, when there's a list of things to check, things to pack, and a long road waiting ahead, it's hard not to sit for a minute and take it all in. Because once we pull out, everything changes again. The quiet mornings, the wide open space, the little routines we've built out here. This place has become more than a stop between trips. It's the place we come back to, reset, and remember what we're building this life around. Every time we leave the ranch, it feels a little different. This time especially. Over the last few months, so much of our energy has gone into this place. The cabin, the container, the solar, the road in, the little projects, and all the problem solving that comes with trying to turn raw land into a real base camp. And now, after all that work, we're leaving it behind for a while. Not because we're finished, and not because the list is done, but because this was always part of the plan. Build here, return here, and then head back to live the other side of the story. The ranch is our base camp, but the road is still a huge part of who we are. And with the boys here for the summer, this next chapter feels different from the last few months. It's less about projects and more about movement. Less about what needs to get done and more about where this life can take us. National parks, small towns, fun travel days, unexpected stops, and the kind of memories you only make when everyone is loaded into the truck and heading somewhere new.
Evening comes with a fading summer light. Twilight air drifting through the window, and you're sleeping.
Closing the gate always feels like a small moment, but it says a lot. It means the projects can wait. The ranch will be here when we get back. And for now, it's time to trade the quiet of our off-grid base camp for the first miles of summer. The boys are here, the rig is rolling, and our summer RV adventure is officially underway. First stop, Seligman, Arizona.
All right, we forgot the flag, so it's coming with us, but it looks like it's tattered anyway. So, all right, until next time, ranch.
See ya. And just like that, one chapter closes and another one begins.
The ranch is behind us, but just for now. The boys are with us, and the summer road trip we've been planning is finally real. So before we made it to our first stop, we wanted to know what they were most excited for.
What's one thing that you guys are excited for this summer?
California and going to the tide pools.
That's cool. What about you, Holden?
Exit 163 on the right to Grand Canyon.
The same?
And take the first right.
Okay. What are you looking forward to the most? Going to Universal?
Cool.
Yeah. That's soon.
What about the giant trees?
Oh, I'm looking forward to that too.
Yes, that's going to be super cool, right?
Yeah.
They're going to be as big as the truck, as wide as the truck.
Of course, no summer RV adventure officially begins until you stop for fuel and immediately remember how expensive it is to move your entire house down the road.
Hi, guys. Hi, Ranger. Fuel up time.
Fuel up time.
See how much this costs. Although the price is $4.67, and we're using our TSD card. I don't know what it's going to bring it down to.
$4.23.
Oh, that's not bad. So from $4.67 to $4.23.
Savings is savings, right?
Yeah. It's better than a couple months ago.
Yep. No peeking.
This is the part of RV travel where you stand at the pump, watch the total climb, and try to convince yourself that memories are priceless, which is good, because fuel definitely is not. And since we're still in Arizona, we have a feeling California is about to take the lesson to a whole new level.
All right, let's get back on the road. All right, so we've arrived in Seligman, Arizona. We're staying at the KOA Journey, right in town. John just went in to check in. It's 94 degrees. Well, it's about the same as the ranch. There's the office. Not much around here. So what do we think about the drive today, boys?
Oh, long, but it wasn't a bad one.
It wasn't as long as some of them, though, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a long drive, but it wasn't a bad drive.
Right. So for the first drive day, not so bad,
Yeah.
right? Marcy's ready to get out.
Yeah. Same with Ranger.
Ranger, I can't even see him.
Yeah, he just
He's down there somewhere.
let me out.
Hi.
Hi.
All checked in?
All checked in. Lucas is gonna come and escort us.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
And chips for the boys because they've been very well behaved today.
Thank you.
Seligman may be small, but it has the kind of personality Route 66 was built on. It started as a railroad town, became a classic stop on the Mother Road, and for decades, travelers came through here looking for fuel, food, rest, and the feeling of freedom that made Route 66 famous. Historic, nostalgic, and a little over the top, and exactly what a road trip should feel like.
It's the original Uber. Yeah.
From Janella, New Jersey.
Oh, really?
Only
Great
on
Eastern
Route
Fire
66
Apparatus, New
can an
Jersey
old
Fire
fire
Support
truck
Corp.
with painted eyes somehow feel like part of the welcoming committee.
Cool.
Then we made our way into one of those classic Route 66 country stores, where every shelf feels like a mix of nostalgia, souvenirs, and road trip history.
Hello.
Hunting supplies in place. Say, be sure to stop by the Roadkill Cafe. They have the best steaks in town and the only salad bar for any vegetarian.
Look at that. That's like a cowboy made out of hubcaps, rims. Neat.
This Gatorade bottles.
There's two.
It's a double.
There's Gatorade bottles in your pulling.
Arizona Territorial Jail. Okay, bye.
Now you're in jail.
Now you're in jail.
No.
That's it.
Oh no! Let us out! Let us out, please. Let us out.
I think there's a ghost there. There's a weird shadow.
Oh yeah, there is.
Cafe. Oh, no, cafe.
It says, welcome to Radiator Springs.
Isn't that from
Yeah,
Cars? This is Radiator Springs.
Seligman definitely understands the assignment. Old cars, bright colors, painted eyes everywhere you look, and just enough personality to make every vehicle
Cracked windshield.
feel like
Oh, look
it
at that.
belongs in a Route 66
Ooh, look at the old
cartoon.
cop car.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That's an old police car. That's pretty neat.
Yeah. What's this?
Oh,
Plastic.
it's like Can I see on the front?
Oh yeah.
Well,
Cool. We don't need any car repairs.
highway dog hawk. Highway hot dog.
Highway.
Here's another one holding.
Another police car.
That one's way better than the four.
You like that one better?
Yes.
Oh boy. What are we gonna do here, Holden? You gotta find a good spot. All right, where do we put ours?
There's a spot right here.
Daddy was
Oh,
there.
there's a spot right there. What do we think of this spot?
Daddy was here.
Okay. And what do we say? Scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like $2.
That's really printed. Is it?
A historic landmark hotel.
Deluxe Inn.
Actually, it looks pretty cute.
It does look really cute.
As far as roadside motels
I
go.
bet you that's gonna be hot, Holden.
Yeah.
Ow.
1, 2, 3 beds, free Wi-Fi, free coffee, direct dial phone, microwave fridge, 140 plus channels with HBO and ESPN. 1932.
This barbershop might look like a quirky little Route 66 stop, but it's actually one of the most important places in Seligman's story. This is tied to Angel Delgadillo, a local barber who became known as one of the people who helped save historic Route 66 after I-40 bypassed towns like this. When traffic disappeared, a lot of those small towns could have just faded away. But Angel and others like him pushed to preserve the old road, bring travelers back, and keep the spirit of Route 66 alive. It's a reminder that Seligman didn't just survive Route 66 history, it helped protect it.
All right, so it is the July Adventure Giveaway. This month we have our brand new t-shirt called the Journey Tee. We are going to be giving away one of those to a lucky winner. Head over to our website by scanning the QR code here. Remember, you have to enter each month for the giveaway. You'll be on the mailing list, but for each month, you do have to register for that specific giveaway. So again, click the QR code that's here on the screen, and that'll get you right over to the right spot. You'll have your choice of V-neck or a crew neck shirt, and in the 4 or 5 colors that are available on our merch shop. But if anybody else would like to go on and purchase, you can go ahead and do that at nomadstrekkn.com/merch. The winner will have 72 hours to claim and respond to our email. So please make sure that you enter our email address, which I'll put at the bottom of the screen here, as a safe sender. And that'll ensure that you get our email and it doesn't head over to your spam. Good luck.
And of course, after all that Route 66 history, we had to balance things out with the most important roadside attraction of all, ice cream.
All right.
Can I have a
No, you have to buy it.
vanilla cone?
Vanilla cone?
Yes, please.
May I purchase a root beer float?
Absolutely.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
What do you want? Hurry up, she's waiting.
The pressure.
Hurry up.
Ducks and go.
Go.
A vanilla ice
Tell
cream
her.
cone.
Don't tell me, tell her.
Can I get a root beer float?
Yeah. Is that it?
That's it.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
I will make those.
Thank you.
Go.
Top to the foot over.
Look at that.
All right, guys. Hold on. I'm not done.
She's not done.
Would you like a pair of chopsticks to eat it with? No?
I'll use chopsticks.
I got a feeling he's going to be hard to please. To take your time, it's a diet. Do you want those? No. What do you want?
Normal spoon.
How about if you ask me for a whole spoon?
A whole spoon.
There you go. How about this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did I finally do it? Do you need a straw?
Please.
Yeah? What happened? It was mustard, and that would have been great if you spilled your ice cream.
First stop on our trip. What do you think?
Really fun.
That was fun inside the ice cream store, right?
Yeah.
The ice cream was the excuse, but the little tricks and surprises were what made the stop. It was classic Route 66, part treat, part roadside show, and fully committed to making sure the boys remembered it. And honestly, that felt like the perfect way to wrap up our first stop of the summer, because from here, the road starts to change. Next time, we leave Route 66 behind, cross into California, and make our way through the heat, wind, and wide open miles of the Mojave Desert.
Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the